Akala ko pagod lang, stress lang, or puyat lang. Kidney failure na pala. If you feel any of these, please don't ignore them like I did. Hello, I am Chris. I am 28 years old. I have been diagnosed with CKD when I was 26 years old. These were the signs that I brushed off. Number one is I'm always tired. So even after sleeping, feeling ko sobrang pagod pa din ako. Very restless kahit nasan ako, kahit nasa office ako, kahit nasa bahay ako, kahit wala akong ginagawa. I always felt really, really drained and tired. And I thought that was normal, but it wasn't. The reason for this is because my kidneys wasn't filtering toxins properly anymore. So it's kind of funny to talk about right now because I didn't realize the danger I was in. So, yung katawan ko pala is slowly napopoison na siya sa toxins sa katawan ko mismo kasi hindi na filter ng kidneys. Second was swelling. So, I don't know if I will be able to attach a photo right here kung paano nag-swell talaga yung mukha ko as in super big niya talaga. So, I looked like a blobfish. That was really funny to think about. And looking back at the pictures before, nakakatakot din po siya. Kasi parang puputok na talaga yung mukha ko. And the reason for that was fluid retention. So, kasi nga, yung kidneys couldn't get rid of excess water and salt. So, yun siya, nagre-retain yung fluid sa katawan natin. Third would be brain fog or poor concentration. So this one hits hard talaga because as I mentioned, I am a full-time employee and our job or my job requires, concentration or facilitation of trainings and all of that. But it is really hard to do because of brain fog. So I didn't realize that that was what's happening to me. And this is because uremic toxins can affect the brain. And yes, CKD can make you feel dumb, but you are not. You just have brain fog. Acceptance is the key. Number 4 is shortness of breath. Lalakad lang, pagod agad, hindi na kaagad makahinga. That is because may fluid na sa lungs. So that's actually the reason